Good morning. I'm gonna vlog the last few moments before I'm unemployed. I have like 15 more minutes on the clock, and then I'm taking all of their stuff back to the office, and I will officially be a full-time content creator. So I'm celebrating by watching K-pop. I am going to see about what my quitting outfit should be, because I don't know if you guys have ever quit a job before, but there's something about like looking amazing when you're doing it that just like really boosts your confidence. For just a moment while I organize things, because then it's like edgy. Yeah, I think that's adorable. We're probably gonna wear this. Even if you weren't moving out of the country like we are, this is like a big moment for me, because ever since the pandemic started, and even before that, I just kind of knew like I'm not supposed to be here. So I'm gonna get back to K-pop, and hopefully I'm gonna clock out here soon so I can get the
What the hell is that?
You've never seen that meme?
No.
Oh, Andy.
Alright, get the ASAP after this 5 days. Put your hand.
It was a real Twitter moment, so. Okay, time to clock out. We're so excited. We're so excited. We're so excited. You are now clocked off. Here's the wreckage that is our life right now.
Stop.
Do you want? So we're gonna keep doing the pump?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me show them. These are the Space Saver bags that we got, and I thought that I got the one that used the vacuum, but they sent this pump that you have to use to pump, so Andy's probably gonna be really tired by the end of the day. But this is the brand and everything, guys.
I mean, it's
yeah, it's working. I think I'll be able to fit everything I need in my bag and be fine. To do like sheets and all that kind of stuff. I have a 2000s playlist playing. My closet is a mess, obviously. Home looks like right now, it is tragic, but it is mostly empty. I have this one last bag that I'm filling up with random things that we just have. Okay, so this morning we have already started. I have cleared most of this closet. All of that stuff behind the suitcases is all of our clothes and stuff that have been shrunk down. Today's project will be figuring out exactly what I'm keeping and not keeping out of this cabinet, which I'm guessing is probably next to nothing. When I move, I kind of like just start over, so I don't foresee myself actually keeping most of this stuff. Bring you into the war zone. So this is a hodgepodge of all of my things, including decor. And then this is Andy's whole bookcase full of like stuff that he's collected over the years. Andy has like his game consoles that he's gonna be packing separately, especially like the older ones. And then my light ring I'm probably gonna send with them, just because it's way too bulky for me to try and put in a suitcase or bring on a plane. I am done for the night. I don't know what I'm gonna do for hair products just yet. Like, there's just so many unknowns right now, but like I'm trying to be calm about it. Got some things that I can't get over there. So specifically for my chestier girls out there, if you didn't know, Japan is kind of notorious for not having larger bra sizes. I'm gonna be accumulating all that stuff before I leave. I just want everything to be done that we need to have done, and then figure the rest out later, you know. Andy sounds like he's having way too much fun for me to be as stressed as I am, but it is what it is. Yeah, I'm probably gonna take a shower, pop some popcorn, and sit back and finish my episode of Bridezillas. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the morning. Guys, so today, we just got up, had our coffee and whatnot. I'm listening to some lo-fi while I'm editing my bridal shower video. Andy is handling some business with his car getting shipped to California. So we're about to actually go pick up some stuff for his uniforms. And then probably get some lunch or something, but I just wanted to give you guys a little update because your girl is doing stuff. It's just crazy. I'm back. And you've missed a lot, actually, now that I'm thinking about it. We went to IKEA. We got these cute little things for our tables at the wedding, and then this is some stuff that I have to bring to my mom's house, and then we also have 2 big suitcases full of our clothes and stuff that we're taking to Japan. And that'll be dropped off here. The movers are coming at 8:30 tomorrow, so 8:30 to 9:30. They're probably gonna come closer to 9:30. Show them these. Oh, look at that one, it says bottoms up. These and little stuff that I can't have and or take. Oh, look, Andy.
That's it.
Be perfect. Dad, how are you liking your Korean barbecue?
I am loving it. Perfect trifecta. Steak, chicken, and shrimp.
Wow. Truly surf and turf.
And over here, making up a little gumbo, Korean style. Crabs in there, some scallops, you know, potatoes.
Yeah,
Gotta
there
have
it
potatoes
is.
in there.
There's the potato.
Yeah. And this is a real junk pot here. Check it out.
Okay, friends, so this is Jayla mid-edit, and I'm realizing that nowhere in any of that footage did I ever say, I'm done packing, but I do have some like Instagram clips that I could probably insert. Outside of that, this is gonna be the end of this vlog. Then literally when we were done packing, it was like wedding mode, and I was not thinking about vlogging at all. I didn't want to film any of that because obviously it was a lot of debauchery. So here we are on the other end of everything, and this is gonna have to suffice for now, but I will see you guys very soon, and hopefully I won't be jet lagged. Okay, bye guys.